In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PlayStation account to your EA account. This process is straightforward and, once completed, will seamlessly connect your gaming experiences between platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start on your home page. From there, head over to your profile, conveniently found at the top corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on your profile, you'll need to select the Account Settings option. This area is where you'll make most of your account modifications, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it. Next, look for the Connected Accounts section. This crucial part of the process lets you manage which platforms your EA account is linked to. In the list of options, you'll see the PlayStation Network. Go ahead and select it. Once you've highlighted the PlayStation Network, you will notice a prompt asking you to click Continue. Doing this sets the linking process into motion. Now, as a security measure, EA will send a verification code to the email associated with your account. It's important to have access to this email so you can retrieve the code promptly. Once you've received the code, take a moment to jot it down or copy it for easy reference. This step ensures that your account remains secure as you proceed. After verifying the code, the next phase of linking your accounts will require you to sign into your PlayStation account. This step is essential as it officially connects both accounts, integrating your gaming infrastructure. Be sure to have your PlayStation login credentials at hand because you'll need to enter this information to complete the process. When you've successfully logged into your PlayStation account, the linking process is complete. Congratulations! You've now linked your PlayStation account with your EA account, allowing you to enjoy a unified gaming experience. This connection can enhance your gaming by providing synchronized achievements and data across both platforms. For any questions, or if you encounter issues during the linking process, consider visiting the support sections on both EA's and PlayStation's websites. They have extensive resources and guides which can lend further assistance. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and that you're now better equipped to link your accounts with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming!